Your lawyer needs to receive your mortgage instructions at least 2 weeks before closing. The builder is also going to send them the statement of adjustments around this time as well. Once they have all of this, then the final paperwork can be prepared. And oh boy, get ready for some paperwork. Your lawyer will schedule a Zoom call 1 to 2 weeks before closing to witness you signing everything remotely. But heads up, you'll need to print 3 copies of the closing package. This is usually a few hundred pages, so make sure your printer is working and well stocked with ink and paper. Once signed, the originals with wet signatures must be sent to the lawyer in Calgary via courier. Trust me, only use UPS, FedEx, or DHL with the fastest service available. You don't want to try to save $30 here and select an economy shipping method and then have the paperwork arrive late. From there, your lawyer is also going to handle all of the closing documents, finalize the mortgage conditions, and ensure the property is registered in the Alberta New Home Warranty Program. Here's an insider tip and something you need to watch out for. The paperwork needs to be signed by everyone on the purchase agreement, so be sure to plan accordingly if you have any travel coming up.